Test on coast, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose to stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off in the show.
Ang galing ng lyrics, the wordplay in it was awesome. Mabuhay! Ako ang inyong kikampi na si Puting Pinoy. Isang puti na may pusong Pinoy. Happy tayo. So mga kikampi ngayon, i-react natin yung bagong collab ni Easy Mill kasama si Scru Face Jean. Si Scru Face Jean ay isang Black American rapper. Ang dahilan kung bakit kilala ko siya ay dahil nag-react siya sa mga music video ni Easy Mill. At alam niyo naman ako mga kikampi, pag may mga nakikita akong foreigner na nag-react sa mga YouTube video, nagtataka ako bakit kaya sila nag-react sa mga pang Pinoy na content. Pinoy baiting ba ang ginagawa nila? Well, kay Scru Face Jean, sa tingin ko, alam na alam niya yung rap. Kaya dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa hip-hop, kaya niyang i-appreciate or pahalagahan yung kasanayan ni Easy Mill. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay, I've gotta react to this. By the way, Scru Face Jean, kung pinapanood mo ito, I'm sorry. If you're watching this, I was impressed with your analysis of the way Easy Mill throws his bars, and I know that you yourself, you're a lyricist and have a lot of respect for you. I feel like you're doing exactly what you should be. I mean, you're talking about, you know, some people, they react to a bunch of YouTube videos, like Filipino YouTube videos, but they don't really have business doing it, I think. Like I don't know, they don't really seem to have qualifications or like really an innate desire other than to get views and to get more, I don't know, clout and more subscribers. Anyway, I didn't feel that from you. I didn't get that vibe from you. So I'm happy that you've done a collab with Easy Mill. I think you both are great lyricists, intelligent rappers, talented rappers, articulate, like expressive. Bago natin ipagpatuloy, huwag kalimutan na sampalin ang like at sampalin ang kampana. Righteous and Ratchet. Okay. Like that title.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get
Magbablog na siya. Oh, my little play acting. I like it. Nice little play acting.
Hey, what up, guys?
Classic.
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Very nice. Righteous and Ratchet. Okay. I'm liking those soft, what do they call them? Bells, the glasses. That's a nice sample.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose to stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off in the show, righteous in the broken land.
Nice. Okay, so he's establishing, you know, his credibility. Cool.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap look at top hats. Fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from all this. I'm winning the middle lane full of sticks. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with it. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant.
Oh yeah, he's an effing lieutenant. I love that. That was a great line. That was a nice pass off. So basically they're like, we're the people you don't want to mess with. Like, we're like, just watch out for us. We're in this game too. I'm liking it. Maganda talaga ito. I'm excited to see kung mag-Tagalog si Easy Mill.
Lyrically, everything your love is just blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie. Send me ad, we put it in the map. Send me the ad, we put it in the map. Fuck on the block, we wanna get down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking
The production on this is excellent.
Driving in the sprinter with the SMS, signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace feature. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice so my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice so my feet hurt. Quick shit.
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. Bitches be talking about we can be right to the rest. Hey, We give it right to the ratchet. I come from the bottom when people are starved. We give it right to the ratchet. Hey.
Shit, if it's stained up in a demon whip, got the cane cup, they're thinking simple, but the able to let the evil get let the thing fuck shit for the semen dripping on down to a pool of the soul. Y'all see an angel.
Nice moves. I love those dance moves.
But she hit me up and she beg for the pole.
So ready and done, I said it before. If they stay the producer, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they can't help me, kick in my house, then I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick it with a 7-day pros. Like a mafia, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
It's going that stone from her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shots that they blanca. We lots in Boeing to set up to casa. So get to home and just set up your store.
All of that.
Yeah, nice way of integrating the Spanish. Righteous and Ratchet. Nice, very nice. Cool. I like the tune. Like, ang galing ng lyrics. Like, the wordplay in it was awesome. I really liked the dynamic and the chemistry between the two. It sounded really nice. So, A+. I liked that. That was fun. More collabs. Collabs pa more. He's so... Oh, hey, Corona. Mga musta ka?
Gusto mga kikampi, bakit laging nandito ako?
I really think it would be awesome if Scru Face Jean started doing some Tagalog. Like, kailangan turuan natin siya ng Tagalog, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's teach him some Tagalog, mga kakampi. I know that a lot of his followers now are Filipino dahil reactions niya kay Easy Mill. So, maraming salamat sa sponsor ng video na ito na MyPila. MyPila is an app that you can use to queue in a line without physically being at a location. Right now, MyPila is working with LGUs, hospitals, community pantries, and other participating businesses para mas ligtas at makaiwas sa mga ganitong eksena. The app will launch on June 12th. Libre itong gamitin para sa lahat. Kaya, i-download nyo ngayon. It's available in the Google Play Store as well as the App Store on iOS. The one thing I was really missing from this was just where was the Tagalog, you know? That would have just completed it. I think Scru Face Jean needs to learn some Tagalog. Pero hindi, sobrang galing nila. Nararamdaman ko yung dynamic nila, ang galing. It's a reminder sa kahalagahan ng chemistry and connection and bonding pag gumagawa ng mga music o ano man creative project.